Hi everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to turn any Facebook post into a full video. The process is simple, smooth, and surprisingly powerful. We just send a Facebook post URL straight into a Telegram bot. From there, the workflow automatically scrapes the post. It then summarizes the text, finds relevant short clips, and brings everything together. In just a little while, we've got a brand new video version of the Facebook post.
You yearn for a child, enduring years of empty promises and the deceptive words of prophets offering false hope. You find yourself in a bustling new church, listening as a charismatic prophet encourages the sowing of seeds for every desired miracle.
Pretty cool, right? Let's dive in and see how it works step by step. First, let's understand the process we're combining here. It's basically two methods we've already used before. The first method is scraping data, just like we did earlier with Upwork. The second is generating short videos directly from text. I've already prepared a script that's very similar to the Upwork scraper code, so let's walk through it together. Step 1 is installing the libraries. We're using Puppeteer with a real browser setup. Next, we run the server file. This server will listen for our scraper API on localhost, running at port 3000. Before we drop it into a workflow, let's test the API with Postman. We send a post request to the endpoint and include a Facebook post URL in the body. Once we hit send, the API goes to work, and within moments, it extracts the post text and photo that match perfectly. Now that we've verified the API works, let's move back into our workflow. The workflow is basically the same as the text-to-short video process we built earlier, but this time, the difference is that we're listening for Telegram messages that include a Facebook post URL. First, we make sure the new message isn't a Telegram command. If it's valid, we pass that Facebook post URL directly to the scraper API we just tested in Postman. Since we may host n8n on the cloud, we need a way to connect to our local API server. For that, we'll use ngrok to expose the local server on port 3000 to a public URL. Then in the HTTP request node, we make sure the ngrok URL is correctly mapped to our local host. That way, the workflow can call the server API directly. Inside the request body, the URL should simply be the Telegram text message. And as you can see here, the node calls our Facebook Story API. The response comes back with the post text and the photo, exactly like the test we did in Postman. From here, we pass the post text over to an AI agent. This agent takes the text and generates all the data needed for the final video. That includes the number of scenes, captions for each scene, background music vibe, and search keywords for free clips from Pexels. The agent node returns everything as a clean JSON output. And this part is exactly the same as what we did in the text-to-short video workflow. For the LLM, we're using Gemini because it's free and reliable. Then we send the agent's response over to the video generation node. Here we call the 02 launch text-to-short API. Don't forget to add the X API key in the header so the request goes through. In the body, we can configure things like caption style and caption position. Again, this matches the same setup we used in our earlier workflow. And just like that, we've built a powerful tool. It can scrape social content and instantly convert it into ready-to-watch videos. All of this happens automatically, end-to-end. Pretty awesome, right? The final scraping code and the complete workflow will be available in the classroom, so feel free to check it out and grab your copy.